Oh, it looks so good. Very natural. I'm loving the HD lace. You can't be struggling sad with ashy lips. No. Hi guys, welcome back to BeautyWithTy. So today I'm going to show you guys how I got this braided boho wig. We're going to install it start to finish. You don't want to miss this. Ywigs, baby. A wig cap. You need that, especially if you're using glue, because today I will be using adhesive. 22 inches deep curly HD lace, 100% human hair braided wig. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Small little braids. Braids all throughout. Oh yes. So much baby hair. I love it. 100% lace. No tracks, honey. Okay. This is a HD stocking. It's really thin. And then I'm also going to use the Got To Be Glued Freeze Spray. So I did my cornrows about 2-3 days ago. And I need all this hair to kind of be sleek back. So we're going to do that. Brush it. Like that. This, yes. This, no. Okay? Let me tell you, I call myself showing you guys, YouTube, how I install my ball cap. And then I was like, okay, well, let me make a TikTok as well. I could do both at the same time. No, I forgot about you guys, and I'm over here doing the TikTok. That's because I can't do both. Not yet. So, I already cut out my ear tabs. And like I told TikTok, I made sure that I cut behind my ear and then bring it around my ear. You don't want to cut like right in the ear hole because this can come up too short and you don't want that. Okay? Cool. Got that. Now the same thing over here. Use your finger. Blow dry. Okay, just repeat the same steps all on the hairline. Rub it in so it's not dripping all the way down your forehead and you don't have a whole lot to clean up. Okay, it's starting to come down. Let's blow dry. Now that everything is dry, I use Ruby Kisses number 15 and yeah. Okay, now cut. I try using a razor, but I don't know. I just like scissors better. Alright, ball cap all dry. Now for my wig. It's so gorgeous. Ah, I can't wait. Okay, so there's a little bit of lace in the back I need to cut off. Cut around the ears because it's a full lace unit. So you have to cut some of that lace off. I'm gonna leave a little bit of lace just in case I ever want to glue it all the way around. You can see I left a little bit of lace left over. Okay, okay. Okay, that's too heavy. I gotta use clips. Not me on a little baby struggle bus. Help me. My lips ashy. You can't be struggling sad with ashy lips. No. Okay. Serious target. Get serious. Get silly. Get silly. Okay. Do I think I can get this baby hair back or no? Gotta see what I'm doing here. These wigs be too big. Alright, so I'm gonna have to do this wig in sections. I'm thinking I would have to like add glue all through here, apply it, let it dry, and then go back and add glue up until where my hairline is. Because me just trying to get it perfect the first time, and the wig is like a little heavy, like it keeps sliding back. So I need to add some glue so I can get it to stay where I need it to be, and then I can truly customize it. I'm loving the hairline. Like the hairline really is lining up with mine, so that's a good thing. And it's too big. Let me put this comb in the back. Okay, that helped a little bit. All right, I'm using the Erica J Hold Me Down lace adhesive. Like I said, I'm only applying the lace glue on my wig cap starting off. Why is it turning green? I don't know. The world may never know. Blase, blase. And when I pull it down, I'm not going to smush it into my head. I'm not going to add my band yet. I'm just going to blow dry to adhere it. Actually, I don't want this to be dry, so let's add more. Just in the middle because I feel like it's drying. And it does need to be somewhat tacky, so... And you see the wig comes in a pretty decent size because it's a little too large for my head, and this is actually covering up my ear. Maybe after I glue it, I'll do this. I don't know. Let's cut this lace. Real jagged. Now, because I only added lace glue towards the back, I have to roll this up a little bit and then add the remainder of the lace glue in those areas that's not glued down. Just add, I'd rather add too little than too much, and then I can always go back and add more versus trying to take away. Like, no. I'm gonna cut it because I don't want it covering my ear. So I'm just wing it. Just cut. Baby, cut it up. And then we bring this around. Okay, cool. Okay, all right, good. Do the other side. This side a little jacked up, but. All right, now band action for about 10 minutes. Now I come back and swoop my baby hair, do my makeup, and that's gonna be it. I guess I could do my eyebrows right quick while this sit. All right, brows done. So now let's take this off. I guess I'll do my baby hair with mousse. Cause now I got the bang. The bang. What the hell? We're not drinking my water. Is there some type of water bandit in here? All right, let's cut this. We're gonna pluck this. I would like my middle swoops to be very thin, like almost non-existent. And you're too thick over here as well. Okay, you might be just right. Just trust the process. Yeah, trust the process. I'm gonna pluck some of this out so it's not a full line of baby hair. Let's separate some of this though. Okay, I'm happy with this. It's pretty much dry. And you see how it's like still fluffy? Now I'm add a little bit of the cream foundation, still the lighter shade with the fluffy brush. Not too much, just a little. Okay, that's it. Oh, it looks so good. Very natural. I'm loving the HD lace. Cute. And the braids are really light. So now I'm going to wrap it one more time. The stockings that you put on your foot when you try on shoes. I'm only going to put it like right at the tip of the lace. Finish my makeup. We'll be back. See the finished results. Okay. Makeup all done. Cute. Let's take this off. And that's it. Ouch. Let's swoop this again. Gorgeous. I love it. My husband is talking about that food, baby, and I gotta go get to it. I have to come back and show you guys some styles. But yeah, finished look. So gorgeous. Alright, so that's all for this video. I love the edges. I love the lace. It's thin. It's HD. It's almost transparent. It's giving straight scalp action. The braids are gorgeous. You can style it in so many different ways. The hair is so full. You can pull it up. The list goes on. If you want, click the link down below so you can go and get your wig and save. Well, it took me about an hour and a half to install this wig, but you know, to get this look in no time versus sitting down and waiting from 8 hours to 2-3 days to get this boho look, you choose. You choose. It's gorgeous. I look so good. I look so pretty. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, and my shirt, this Barbie shirt, I got this from Goodwill. Let me show you how I'm going to wear it. I just have it tucked up on this side because it's oversized with my cute jeans. But let me show you the blazer I'm going to wear with it. We're ready to go out to some stores. Hold on. See, really cute. I'm just pairing it with this blazer. I got this blazer from Goodwill as well, but probably about 2 years ago. Yeah, I popped a tag off of this earlier. So it's from Just Fab. Originally $60. And I want to say I paid like $5 some change. The one that I go to here in town, they don't put tags on it because all their blazers are one price, all their jeans are one price. Everything is like one set price. This shirt here I got from Atlanta when I went, and this one they had a tag because of course all of their prices were different. But the shirt was only $3.24. I was like, what? Real cute. Love it. Honestly, I want to say I got these jeans from Goodwill as well. These are Fashion Nova jeans. I got these from Goodwill too. Oh my god. Let me tell you one thing about me. I'm going to shop at Goodwill. You get the cutest things for cheap. This is it. Alright you guys, so that's all. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look. And I'll see you next time.